Hello everyone, this is Jag. Well, in this video I'm going to show you how you can make a DIY garden tool organizer like this. It's very easy to make and very easy to organize all your garden tools. So let's get started. So I have all of these garden tools and I need a way to organize these garden tools and hang them on a wall so they're not all over the place. So the first step is to arrange all the tools in a most efficient way so that you don't waste any space. So I'm going around and trying all of these different combinations. I'm trying to see where I can fit what and how many layers do I need. And after going through few iterations and figuring out the most efficient way, I settled on just 2 layers. And I have the most efficient configuration laid out right here. This way I'm not wasting any space, and that's how the tools are going to be. Next, I'm using a piece of 1x3 to make a runner on the wall. You can also use a piece of 1x4 as well. To hang my tools on these runners, I simply place the runners on top of these tools on these 2 layers, and I simply marked where the arms are going to be on which I'm going to hang the tools. So I go on to each one of these tools and I mark on the left and right side of the tool where the arms are going to go. After all the marks are made, now it's time to make the arms and then attach them to the runner. Next, I'm using a piece of 2x3 to make the arms on my 1x3 runners. Now, if you use 1x4 runner, you can use 2x4s to make your arms. So we're going to be cutting 6 inches of these into blocks and then notching them out as well. So whenever you're working with wood, make sure you use a mask and safety glasses. I'm using an N95 mask here. There's no shortage of these days. If you are way out in the future, you know which time period I'm talking about. And use these safety glasses to make the cut. So we have our 6 inches wood blocks. We're going to turn this into a notch like this so it looks pretty. To do that, we're going to use a miter saw. Set your miter saw at 45-degree angle and lock it in place. Then place the wood block under the miter saw, lock it in place, and make the cut. And there you go, we got our piece. I'm using these 3.5-inch screws so that they have enough grip and enough strength to hold the tools. Before driving the screw in the wood, I'm pre-drilling the wood just to make sure the wood does not split. The next step is attaching the arms to the runners by driving the screws from the back. Here's how driving the screws looks from the back. I'm driving the screws from 1x3 into the arms of 2x3. I'm making sure the screw heads are flush in the back. So this is what they look like when they're fully built. To attach the runners to the wall, I first leveled the runners with the leveler, and then I drove screws from the runner into the 2x4s in the wall. Next, the second layer goes on the wall. I make sure both runners have 12 inches of space in between them, and I hold the runners with screws. I then find out where the 2x4 studs are, then I drive the 3.5-inch screws right from the runners right into the stud. And now it's time to hang all the tools and see how they look like. The tool organizer is complete. Everything fits very nicely and it's very easy to organize all the tools. All the spades, the shovels and the rakes fit very nicely on these arms. Look at these notches on the shovels and look how perfectly they sit on these arms. Since we made the arms 6 inches long, you can even double or triple stack the tools as well. This is a must-have garden tool organizer for every gardener. Well, there you have it. It's very easy to come and grab the tools from this tool organizer. Very easy to organize all the tools and keep them off the ground. I really hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in another video. This garden tool organizer is perfect for hanging the tools.